Guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be repairing this bulb. Seems to have blown out. Unfortunately, when I bought the car, the tool to remove this was not here. So easiest way to fix it is to get a 6-volt socket, oh, 6, see the head, just put that in place and see the sticker here, it's been faded. So this side, so open is left, close is tight, right. So what you're going to do is just put this in and give it a turn. Okay. Okay, so there is a metal clip that fits here like a spring. This side doesn't have it, so that is why it comes out so easily. And this is the light. Okay, let's just have a look at the wires. Okay, not so bad. Needs to be some the clear that's peeling off. Okay, but yeah, this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is pull out this cover and that's where the park light sits. Okay, so I've used some long nose pliers to get it out. Typical Touareg. The wires are brittle. Eventually that's going to need to be changed. This is the bulb. It's not working. Okay, so I've put the new bulb in over there. Only way to test that it's working and it's not the wires is to connect the whole headlight again. So when connecting the headlight, there's the grooves. You just follow the grooves and get it in. Okay, that's it. Let's just see if it works. Okay, and it's on. Quick job. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Here's to the next video. Catch you soon.